Hello and welcome to Gosling Mobility. This is a very short video just to show the function and the workings and the operation of the Brig-Ayd hoist. The Brig-Ayd hoist is just a two-way hoist, which just means electrically it will pick it up electrically and it will lower it down electrically, and then it needs to be swung out manually and pushed back in manually. Okay, let's have a look and see what it offers. This is the Brig-Ayd. Why it's a 40 is because it's a 40 kilogram weight limit, and this hoist can be fitted onto the left hand side or the right hand side. In this instance we just got it in our vehicle on the right. So it's all we do to start with is we unlock the locking bar on that one there. We hold the hoist at the end and keep the two pieces together and just lift it into its socket. Once lifted into its socket, we separate its legs as a small piece and then put down the locking bar just to support it when it starts to lift. And then it just needs a little tug to make sure that that's secure and completely in place. Pick up the boom and then just put your finger underneath it so it locates into one of the three slots. The three slots gives it different levels of height. So if we go to the third, which we can't, but if we go to the second, it gives you a lot more lift in height. But on this vehicle, we only need it in its first slot. We take the remote, we press the on button on that there, and then we press the down button. And because there's no weight on the end of the hook, we just pull it down to keep tension on it because it's spool fed. Down it comes to the required height. And then we can attach it to the required device. In this instance, this would be just for a single point lift. So it will just wrap around the device, hold back on itself, and then pick it back up. If you've got a bigger device or a scooter, providing it's less than 40 kilograms, we would then use a spreader bar. So the spreader bar would go onto the clip. Well, let's do that. Onto the clip. And then we'd attach it onto the device, each end of the spreader bar. And then it would literally just pick up as it is there. So there are two ways of doing it depending on the device that you want to lift. I pinch it again because there's no weight on the rope. Let it run through my fingers. Pick up the device, either the single point lift or in combination with the spreader bar. Take it to the maximum height and stop. This is magnetic, so it will stick onto anything steel, and then we literally guide the device in, guide the device out. When we're unloading a device, we take it so it's 90 degrees to the car and then lower it down, and that will give us more clearance as if we did it there and keep it away from the bumper. Simply to unfold it, we push that up, we lower that down, we pick up the locking bar, hold them together and just pull the arm down. And that is your Brig-Ayd. Thank you for watching. This is an extension to the previous video. This is the same hoist, the Brig-Ayd, but this time we're applying a power chair, loading and uploading, standing upright using the single point lift. So it's the same hoist, the same practice. I'll go through it again. Unlock the locking bar off the frame. Pick up the hoist, holding one hand at the end of the hoist, one end supporting the boom. Lift it up into its socket. Put on the locking bar to secure it so when it's got weight on it, it won't fall down. Make the boom. On my vehicle, it will get away with using the number 1 slot. It hasn't got the range of 3 and it will just give you more height. Middle one and the long one. I only need the short one. Out to 90 degrees to the car. Taking the remote, powering it on, lowering it down, but because there's no tension on it, again, I'm just giving it a bit of assistance there to keep the rope taut and tight, lower it down to the device, attach it onto the device, and then we're ready for the load. Pinching the rope while again there's no tension, starting to lift it up, until it takes tension, let itself centre. Might need just a little bit of guidance, but the hoist is holding the weight. I'm doing nothing. Up it comes to the top with the limitations of your gap there as it comes up. Again, magnetic on the frame with the remote. 2 hands, and I can literally just guide that in. Very, very easy. It makes the chair very light because, again, this is holding all its weight into the vehicle, into there, support it there, lowering it down to the back seats. Again, take a little bit of slack off the rope to allow us to fold it. 1, 2. Remote into its rest. Up with the hoist, pulling that down. The arm folds down. Unlock the locking bar. 2 hands, pull it over to me, fold it down behind the bumper. That's the load complete. Thank you.